Welcome, here's an installer's guide to the S-Series controller. Accessing the installer settings. To access the installer settings, we simply press the three lines at the top, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see installer settings. You'll see a message saying, by continuing, you'll come to the menus for advanced users. Do you want to continue? Press the tick. You will see 9 different menus, consisting of operating settings, accessory settings, multi-installation, selectable inputs and outputs, tools, factory setting service, start guide, quick start, and logs. Start guide. When you first start the system up, you should be greeted with the start guide to run through and help through commissioning. But if not, you can always find it here in the installer settings and start guide. Selectable inputs and outputs. Press the 3 lines on the top, down to the installer settings, down to selectable inputs and outputs. And on here you'll have a list of 6 auxiliaries that can be set for a volt-free signal. And if that volt-free signal is a closed circuit, the action that you set within here will take effect. For instance, block heating, external alarm, additional heat, to name a few. At the bottom of this, we also have an auxiliary for Modbus connection. And then we have the auxiliary relay connections. These are selectable relay connections that can be used to control varying different outputs, such as hot water circulation pumps or external heat medium pumps, and more. Forced control. If we're in a situation where we need to undergo diagnosis testing on the product, there is a force control menu. This force control menu can be found in installer settings, tools, and force control. You will need to activate it at the top, and then you can select the respective relay to assess the component you're trying to test. Performing a factory reset. We simply go to the 3 lines at the top, down to installer settings, and then down to factory setting service. On here, you can select either user settings, service settings, or the heat pump. If we select the user settings, you'll see a message asking if we want to continue. Press OK. And a pop-up will say that the factory resetting has succeeded. Logs. The S-Series controller has a facility to log information, and this can be found in Info, Energy Log, and it can also be found in Alarm Log